Good morning, students. Last time I told you that Dorothy was talking to the scarecrow and telling him about herself. Now let us see what is happening in the next paragraph. Where is the Emerald City? Said the scarecrow, and where is Oz? The scarecrow asked, where is the Emerald City and who is Oz? Like we asked sometime, where is Taj Mahal situated? How far is Rajasthan, Mumbai? And so on. Scarecrow ने पूछा, एमरल्ड सिटी कहाँ है और ओज कौन है? Why don't you know? She replied in surprise. डोरोथी ने उसे आश्चर्य से जवाब दिया, तुझे कैसा मालूम नहीं? No, indeed, I don't know anything. You see, I am stuffed with straw, so I have no brains at all, he answered sadly. The scarecrow answered sadly. He did not know anything as he did not have brain. Brain means दिमाग. He is only made of straw. Scarecrow ने बड़े दुख से बताया कि वह घास फूस का बना है और उसे ब्रेन यानी दिमाग नहीं है. ओह सेड डॉरथी, आई एम सॉरी फॉर यू. डॉरथी बोली, मुझे इस बात के लिए बुरा लग रहा है. डू यू थिंक, ही आस्क्ड, इफ आई गो टू द एमरल्ड सिटी विथ यू दैट ओज वुड गिव मी सम ब्रेन्स? The scarecrow said to Dorothy, if he goes to Emerald City, will the Oz give him some brains? Oz means magician और जादूगर. स्केयरक्रो बोला, क्या मैं एमरल्ड सिटी गया तो मुझे ओज दिमाग देगा क्या? I don't know, she replied. Come to the Emerald City with me and Toto. You can ask the great Oz for a brain. Dorothy said to the scarecrow to come with her and Toto to great Oz and asked for brain. Dorothy बोली, तुम यानी स्केयरक्रो मेरे और मेरे कुत्ते के साथ आओ और जादूगर यानी ओज से पूछो कि वह तुम्हें दिमाग देगा क्या? What if he doesn't give me one? और यदि उसने नहीं दिया तो? You should try anyway, said Dorothy. You have nothing to lose. Dorothy said to the scarecrow that he should try. By trying, he will not lose anything. Dorothy बोली, तुम कोशिश करो, कोशिश करने में कुछ नुकसान नहीं है. That is true, said the scarecrow. You see, I don't mind my legs, arms and body being stuffed because I cannot get hurt. If anyone treads on my toes or sticks a pin into me, it doesn't matter because I can't feel it. The scarecrow said, since my body, legs and arms being stuffed, if anyone treads me म्हणजे तुडविणे, पायाखाली तुडविणे, nothing will hurt me. स्केयर को बोला, मुझे घास फूस से बनाया है तो मुझे पिन या टाचनी या पैसे के नीचे पैरों के नीचे कुचल लिया तो कुछ नहीं होता है. Dorothy listened. बोलो. Dorothy listened carefully and nodded. She was amazed to see the scarecrow walking and talking. Dorothy nodded her head and listened. Nodded means सर हिलाना और वो सुनने लगी. She was amazed to see the scarecrow walking and talking. उसे ये आनंद हुआ कि एक पुतला बोल रहा है और चल रहा है. I do not want people to call me a fool, and if my head stays stuffed with straw instead of with brains, as yours is how I ever to know anything. The scarecrow says that people should not call him fool, as his head is stuffed with straw instead of brains. How can he know anything? स्केयरक्रो कहता है, यदि उसका सर पूरा घास फूस से भरा है तो उसे कैसा कुछ मालूम हो सकता है. I understand how you feel, said the little girl. I understand how you feel, said the little girl, who was truly sorry for him. If you will come with me, I will ask Oz to do all he can for you. The girl said that she can understand how the scarecrow feels as she feels truly sorry for him. She says if you come with me to the Oz, she will ask the Oz to help him. वो लड़की बोली मैं समझ सकती हूँ, मुझे इस बात का बुरा भी लग रहा है। यदि तुम मेरे साथ आते हो तो मैं ओज से तुम्हें पूरी तरह तुम्हारी मदद करने के लिए बोलूँगी। थैंक यू, ही आंसर्ड ग्रेटफुली। स्केयर क्रो सेड थैंक यू। आदरपूर्वक स्केयर क्रो ने आभार मान ली।